All right, today guys, I'm going to show you how to solve for the y-intercept and the x-intercept when you've been given a linear equation in standard form. Now, most of the time, we are using slope-intercept form. That's y equals mx plus b. But sometimes you'll see equations in standard form. That is ax plus by equals c. And my printable here is going to take you step by step through how to solve for the y-intercept and the x-intercept. Now remember, y-intercept is always when x is equal to 0. It's always going to be 0, comma, something else. X-intercept is the opposite. It's always going to be something, comma, 0. Y is 0. That's when you have the x-intercept. So let's try 4x plus 6 y is equal to 24. So over here, to solve for the y-intercept, I'm going to set x equal to 0, and that's been done for you. You're going to rewrite this entire equation in, except instead of x, it's going to be 0. That's what it means to plug in 0 for x. Plus 6y is equal to 24. Now, 4 times 0 is always going to be 0. No matter what a is, when x is 0, this whole thing becomes 0. So 0 plus 6y is equal to 24. Now, let's see. We want to get y all alone. So we're going to divide both sides of this equation by b, which is 6. So 6 divided by 6, that's going to cancel out and leave you with y. Now we've got 24 over 6. 24 divided by 6 is equal to y. Well, 24 divided by 6, that's just 4. So our y-intercept is 0, 4. Now let's solve for our x-intercept. This time we're going to set y equal to 0. So I'm going to write my standard form equation again, but I'm going to plug in 0 for y, which means instead of writing y, I write 0. 4x plus 6 times 0 equals 24. Now, 6 times 0 is always going to be 0. So now we're left with 4 times x plus nothing equals 24. So now to get x alone, we need to divide x by a, which is 4. 4 divided by 4, that's going to cancel out. And we've got 24 divided by 4 is going to give us our x value, which is 6. So now we have our y-intercept is 0, 4, and we have our x-intercept 6, 0. And whenever you see an equation in standard form, no matter what these numbers are, this printable will take you step by step through how to solve for the y-intercept and the x-intercept. And once you see that there's a pattern, you do the exact same thing every time, you'll be able to do it without the printable, no problem.